Welcome back, Van, here with the next episode of Man's World in Van's World with Matt.
Yep, this is Man's World, not because we're chauvinistic pigs, but because that, in fact, is our names when they're fused together.
And we're coming to you today with Jack Link's Zero Sugar. And the reason why we do these videos is so when you're walking through the grocery store and you wonder how they taste, you'll find out. Right here, let the Man's World review begin.
Yep, so, I think with zero sugar, I think that kind of makes it maybe keto. I don't know. I'm not very, I'm not educated in the ways of the keto diet, cursing heaven thing. But I think it has to do with sugar. Doesn't keto have to do with sugar?
Keto is definitely zero sugar, in my opinion.
But I don't know what else it has to do. Anyways.
You know, when you see zero sugar, to me, I'm thinking, what's it going to taste like? Is it going to taste like artificial flavoring? There's a lot of my beef jerky that I make that I don't put sugar in. And there's a lot of jerky that I make that I do put sugar in. So this should, in my opinion, taste like straight up beef jerky. Just a plain meat stick. Just a Slim Jim.
Smells like beef jerky, man.
Definitely smells like beef jerky. Let's throw this up there. Y'all take a look at that. What do you think?
Looks like beef jerky. Looks like not tender beef jerky.
Well,
slow cooked and hardwood.
So
smoked.
looking at it, it looks like it's hard beef jerky. I'm gonna get this piece right here.
It still doesn't look like boot leather, like Larissa's.
No, it didn't look like.
No, it wasn't Larissa's. Who was it?
Look how it breaks open. Look how it breaks open right there. It looks. We haven't tried it yet, but it looks kind of really dry.
It does.
Salute.
Yep, it's very dry.
Wow.
Least favorite. Sugar. I think the sugar, not having sugar in it, makes it dry.
Oh man. You know, and sugar will actually act like a cure, but it'll also act like a tenderizer. It'll make meat tender, and this is. I could eat it. You know, I could eat it if I had to, but I'm out. I'll finish that bite.
I mean, if I needed 15 grams of protein, I'd eat an ounce of it. But
is this one pack, one serving, or is there more than one serving in it?
There's 2.5 servings per pack. There's one ounce serving size.
Most of it is 1 ounce serving, I guess. I'm out, man.
I'm glad we got this mineral water with this because I can.
I'm just chewing and chewing and chewing. I'm tasting a lot of black pepper right now.
Very, very, very black peppery. The ingredients are beef, water, contains 2% or less of salt, flavors, yeast extract, soy sauce, water, soybean salt, alcohol.
What?
It says alcohol.
Soybean salt, alcohol.
Soybeans, or water, soybeans, salt, and alcohol. Why is alcohol in it?
I don't know. Maybe that's what dried it out.
And pineapple powder. What is pineapple powder?
They should have used juice.
And it contains soy.
Well, if they used juice, then it would have sugar in it. Maybe.
It adds a dietarily insignificant amount of sugar.
Sugar's a cure, okay? Sugar cured bacon, sugar cured ham. Sugar pulls the blood out of meat, is what it does, and it cures it.
It says satisfaction are guaranteed. This product is guaranteed to satisfy, or we'll replace it with Preacher Perfect.
I don't want them to replace it.
Cut it out and send it to them and tell them we want another flavor.
I don't want that flavor back. Don't replace that one. I definitely, Jack Links, I will definitely put an @Jack Links for Instagram, and you can check out your own beef jerky review here in Man's World and see what we think about your jerky, because I'm going to tell you what.
Jack Links, you do a lot of good stuff. That's garbage.
I'm going to say a 0.
Yeah, not good. Like I promise you, this right here, I hope if there's some starving people around us in a 20-foot vicinity in the next 5 minutes, they can have it, but not it's going in the garbage.
I don't want it.
I'm not going to eat that.
I don't even know if my dogs would eat that.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
I'm actually upset. I'm mad about it.
If I paid money for this, and this is why I love this channel of what me and Matt's doing, is because if you see something and you want to know what it tastes like, you look it up on YouTube, Google search, and you find it. I don't like it. You had to make yourself eat that, didn't you? Huh?
Well, I started hating it so bad I started not believing it.
I'm curious too. Oh no.
Nope.
It's like I'm chewing on a toothpick.
It is like
There's wood splinters going out of my mouth.
it's like it's like you had a piece of plywood and you're like, hey, I like plywood. Let me try a bite. I mean,
You know, if you're a diabetic, there's more options out there with no sugar than this. Very well.
I think it's raining outside. I'm gonna put it out there and let it soak up some water. Maybe they have some flavor to it.
It needs to be sprayed something.
Oh,
I think they messed up a batch and had to get rid of it.
yeah. This is like I brewed beer before, and sometimes if it gets infected, you just gotta pour it out. They should have poured this beef jerky out.
They should have done something.
Hey, if you can't have sugar, if you're like diabetic or something, and sugar ain't your thing, then by all means eat this. But it's not gonna be as great jerky, so don't think it is.
Woo. I'm out. Hey y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, the thumbs up. Too many things to choose from. Just do it.
Yeah.
Or
just click on something, or I'll come get you.
yeah, that's gonna get you the Doombringer.
I'll come to your house.
Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching, and you come back. Salute.
Mineral water.